Today we're diving into a topic that is essential for anyone who wants to maximize the use of ChatGPT. We're talking about mastering the art of prompting. So as I'm sure you know by now, prompting is how you communicate with the AI model like ChatGPT, telling it what you want it to do in order to get the result that you want. Done right, a good prompt can be like a magic wand. You can get ChatGPT to do so many things for you, like writing an email, summarizing a report, brainstorming ideas. You can even get it to help you with your daily tasks. But the better your prompt, the better your results. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 4 steps to prompting perfection, and we'll walk through each part to ensure you get the best results every time. Number 1 on my list is role prompting, and role prompting is a bit like casting a character in a play. You assign a role to ChatGPT. So role prompting is quite straightforward. Essentially, we assign a character, a role to ChatGPT. For example, we could say, you are an experienced life coach, and so now the AI understands that it should provide responses and communicate in a way of which a professional life coach would. Prompting plays a pivotal role in shaping our output. When asked to behave as a life coach, ChatGPT provides a response in a supportive, motivational tone, and much like that of a real coach. Therefore, role prompting essentially sets a stage for our interactions with AI. Number 2 is detailing your objective. What is detailing your objective? It's about giving more context, more information to ChatGPT about what you're trying to achieve. Let's continue with our example. We've already assigned a role to ChatGPT. You are a life coach. Now it's time to detail the objective. So we could say, I'm trying to develop a balanced routine that can help me manage my work, family, and personal health. So this gives ChatGPT a better understanding of what you're looking for, leading to more relevant suggestions. The third key ingredient of an effective ChatGPT prompt is giving clear instructions. Instructions guide ChatGPT to perform specific tasks. They bridge the gap between your objective and AI's response, shaping how ChatGPT can help you. Let's continue with our example. We've assigned the role, you are a life coach, and we've set our objective, I'm trying to develop a balanced routine to manage work, family, and personal health. Now it's time to give instructions. You might say, could you please suggest a weekly schedule that includes work, family time, exercise, and leisure activities? So by giving clear instructions, you narrow down the task you want ChatGPT to perform. This makes it easier for the AI model to generate actionable and relevant output of what you actually want. And the last step is the one that will set you above the rest. This is called the improvement step. This is a wow factor. This is the one that takes your prompt to the next level and optimizes it even further. It involves asking a ChatGPT to clarify its questions or to engage further if necessary to deliver a more accurate and personalized response. Let's round off from our running example. We've already set the role, you are a life coach. We've detailed our objective, I'm trying to develop a balanced routine to manage work, family, and personal health. And we've given instructions. Could you please suggest a weekly schedule that includes work, family time, exercise, and leisure activities? Now for the improvement part. We might add, if needed, feel free to ask me any additional questions that could help you personalize the schedule to my routine. Notice the difference? Not only does this open the door for ChatGPT to seek more information, but it sets the expectation of a more personalized response. It's a subtle tweak, but it makes a big difference on how ChatGPT responds to your prompt. But that is our 4 ingredients to mastering ChatGPT prompting. That is role prompting, that is detailing your objective, that is giving clear instructions, and that is improvement steps. So each one of those steps is vital to creating a well-structured and effective prompt. There are tons of free tools, free resources out there that can help you optimize your prompt. There are sites where you can model your prompting off. There are sites where you can just copy and paste and use that prompt yourself. There's so many free tools and resources. I hope this video provided you with some valuable insights. If you got something out of it or you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything you'd like to share, any experiences you'd like to share, please drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep prompting and keep exploring.